First thing I'd like to show you is the blogging opportunity I've provided for students. This happens to be extra credit, and they can just take a picture of the food that they cooked and post the recipe. Some have posted a video as well, and this gives lots of ideas for other students to have a resource for healthy meals they could also cook. And I find that they're quite proud to show off some of their skills and share some of their knowledge as well. Something else that we have an opportunity to do is to make a movie of their cooking skills. And here's an example of somebody who used a Windows Movie Maker, and then they converted it to YouTube so that it's easier for everybody to play in its streams for the class inside what is here. This is in iLearn, which is a Moodle, and this is a blended class. And so here's an example of how her movie goes. She's added the music in the background, and she's narrating, giving us good details about how to cook bell peppers for her recipe. So I find students are, again, quite proud to show their skills and to help teach and practice teaching. The other item I'd like to show you is this spreadsheet done in Excel, and I've made here tabs, one day for each day of eating, and they track all of their food for each of those days. And these columns were already made for them, so it's blank until they enter all their data, and it automatically calculates here and automatically comes over here, and it automatically makes into this pie chart. So if I was to take out an item, you can see that all the totals change, and it feels interactive because things move and change as they do. Different, see, the pie chart just changed. Okay, then they do the other days, and it goes into a total sheet, which so they can see the breakdown. So it's an average of 3 days, and then there's an answer sheet where they can write me little notes and tell me points of interest or something that they learned in the evaluation of their foods. Here is another opportunity for students to blog and practice their writing skills. And this is the conclusion to their wellness plan, which was an 8-week implementation of a behavior change. And here they are posting what they've learned through the process to share with others and to brag or to talk about the challenges so that it's relatable and they can share their experiences. And I also have another blog that I'm trying something else where students write on health topics, and I've asked them to post a personal reflection and or a personal example of how they come to understand the topic, and then to cite a reference, some credible information to the topic as well. And they were the ones to select the different topics, and here we are so far working our way through to forum number 8. And I think it's very interesting to let them vote on the topics that they want to, because then there's a little more buy-in when we get ready to have the discussion between us. So the use of technology to express themselves and to also become more skilled at the same time has been a great venue, and I think that they're, for the most part, pretty excited once they get the hang of it. I try to participate along with them in the different topics and in the different assignments that I have. And the screen capture that you're watching right here is exactly what I also use to guide students through the technology practice to accomplish whatever project we have before us. And I believe it's very helpful for students who aren't maybe very good at just hearing the information or are bored with just reading the information. Here they can go step by step, and they can replay it and pause it and freeze it so that they can take their time to learn how to do technology. Thank you.